Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Cultivate wisdom. You don't have to accumulate knowledge to become wise. Anyone can become wise. When you become wise, you respect your body, you respect your mind, and you respect your soul. When you become wise, your life is controlled by your heart, not your head. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials flat, NASDAQ up 32, S&P's up 12, gold contract trading up $7, trading at $13.34 an ounce. Silver up 11 cents, $17.07. Light sweet crude down 52 cents, $63.43 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 5 ticks, 122.09. 30-year bond down 14 ticks, 149 flat. King dollar up 68 ticks, trading 90.365. King dollar coming into this close, folks, is going to be a big number. The reason being is that thus far it's rejected lower price, and you're going to have basically lighter volume. If we sell off right down there and get flat coming into that close, which just from the last 7 minutes, we've just come down 100 ticks, that is going to be problematic once again. And good old King dollar, just on a continual basis, has not been able to hold price. It is in a confirmed much larger ABC structure down with a price projection of approximately 82,500. The euro is trading at 122.25 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is out here at 110.5 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? You're coming into the close out here. We're at highs. The SPY is trading up 84 cents. You're at 279. The high out here, the close, well, the high is 280.09. That was generated on Tuesday. Bottom line, more than likely, what you're going to see, I suspect we're going to at least tag it. We've hit the, we've already hit it. We hit 280.15. So you got into that high. We've done 85 million. This market should put some juice into it at the close since we're on option expiration. NASDAQ Composite. What do we have with the Composite? The Composite right now is trading up over the highs. The high that we hit out here this morning is 73.33. We're at 73.28. The last high on Tuesday was 73.30. So bottom line, you are up. We made another all-time high in the NASDAQ Composite. On the NDX 100, we also, I believe, let's see, 69.35. We did. 68.35, rather. 68.43. We hit 68.43. Right now, you're trading out at 68.29. If we go take a look at the Russell 2000, what we have with the Russell 2000, whoops, wrong one. RTH. We'll bring the Russell 2000 up. Right now, that's up $22. That's the future. We hit 1,600 out here today. The high in the Russell 2000 is 1607.10. The closing high, let's see. We got a closing high up here of 1596.10. And right now, you're at 1597.70. We go into the gold contract. We take a look at gold. What we have with gold is this. And the gold contract, the dollar, as we come into this close, is going to be really interesting to watch. The reason being is this. So on Tuesday, the gold contract did 500,000 contracts. We got to a price point of $13.45. Yesterday, we came down with 312,000 contracts, which was coming into 365. You're still above the breakout area, which is 1327. That still sets up that it wants to get up into the 1365, which is the September 8th high. King dollar, let's go over to King dollar. We take a look at King dollar. What we have with King dollar is this. King dollar had a high today of 90.445, a low of 89.960. Right now, what you have out here is that you're at 90.370 And this is going to be a close call. The reason it's going to be a close call because if this comes down just a bit more, excuse me, folks, if it flattens out, what you're going to have there is that you're not going to have a rejection of lower price, number one. And what we do have on the weekly is that on the weekly, we have a high volume low that at least has to get tested. That's in the short term. On the longer term, you have a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. What the market would have to do, what the dollar market would have to do, is get back up inside the B point and have juice if it did charge inside that B point. We go take a look at the 10-year. 10-year right now. In fact, I want to take a look. I want to put the 10-year up on a continuous contract. So the 10-year is trading 122.08. This baby broke down 2 weeks ago. We take this and you put this on a longer-term chart. What you're going to see is that you broke the consolidation that we had been in since August of 2011. The bottom of that consolidation was 122.25. Right now you're at 122.08. That being said, guess what? You're into some heavy strength when we're coming down here. The reason being is that when we went topside in November of 2008, huge strength there. We went from 112 all the way up to 130. And then what we also did when we came down, when folks thought the interest rates were going to go up once again in 2010, guess what? That's right what you're into right now. So there's a lot of volume there, as well as when we went topside once again in July of 2011. So it's going to take quite a bit for that to break down under those levels. We go take a look at the 30-year. What you have with the 30-year is the 30-year has not broken down yet. 30-year right now, you're down a half a point, 15 ticks. You take a look at this and you put this back, what you're going to be seeing is that that's also, we've been consolidating this 30-year since November of 2016. The major swing point is 147.07. And right now, we are at 148.30. So bottom line is that that's actually almost 2 full points. Remember, there's 32 ticks and 1 point. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials are up 4. NASDAQ's up 33. S&Ps are up 11.5. We'll come right back.